Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable restrictions on your iPhone. So let's start. First, open Settings on your iPhone. There is a subtle difference between iOS 12 and iOS 13. In iOS 12 the restriction settings was on General, but in iOS 13 it has been relocated to Screen Time. Now tap on Screen Time. Scroll down and you will see Content and Privacy Restrictions. Tap on that. Here you will see Content and Privacy Restrictions is enabled by default. And you can fine-tune any of the privacy restrictions according to your preferences just by tapping on the feature and allow or disallow it. And if you scroll up and disable the Content and Privacy Restrictions, all of your restrictions will be disabled. Now go back and scroll down. You will see Turn off Screen Time. Tap on that. Now turn off your screen time to disable all of your app limits, downtime settings, content and privacy restrictions. Now tap on Turn off Screen Time again, and your screen time will be turned off. Now you can easily turn it on anytime you want. And that's how you can enable or disable restrictions on your iPhone. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.